Tech savvy.
Reviewer for Driver's License, Non-Professional Light Vehicle, Part 3. 61. Passing or overtaking is allowed. Answer. On highway with 2 or more lanes.
Subscribe.
62. A driver on a highway shall yield the right of way to. Answer. Police, fire department vehicles and ambulances when such vehicles are on official business. 63. A driver on a highway shall yield the right of way to. Answer. Pedestrians crossing within a crosswalk. 64. This traffic signs warns you that school children may be present in the vicinity. Answer. Pentagon. 65. A driver of a vehicle approaching a yield sign in an intersection shall. Answer. Slow down and yield the right of way to any vehicle in the intersection. 66. A flashing red light means. Answer. Stop. 67. When the vehicle you are driving runs off the road or hits an electric post or parked car, your most probable reason is. Answer. You are driving too fast and lost control of your vehicle. 68. When you have to stop at a traffic light. Answer. Stop before and close to the stop line. 69. The traffic sign means yield the right of way. Answer. Inverted triangle. 70. The signal warns of a hazard ahead. Answer. Diamond. 71. This traffic sign states direction and distances. Answer. Horizontal rectangle. 72. The mark for a railway crossing. Answer. Crossbuck. 73. Children must be held in approved child restraint if there are. Answer. 6 years old and below. 74. Seat belts must be worn by children aged. Answer. 7 years old and above. 75. The proper hand signal for a left turn is. Answer. Left arm straight in horizontal position. 76. Using the shoulder of the road to pass the right of the car ahead of you is. Answer. Against the law. 77. The temporary operator's permit (TOP) authorizes the apprehended driver to operate motor vehicle for a period not exceeding. Answer. 72 hours. 78. A red flag or red light must be attached to any load that extends over. Answer. 1 meter to the rear end of the vehicle. 79. When a vehicle starts to skid, what should you do? Answer. Slow down, ease off the gas pedal and turn your wheels to the direction of the skid. 80. To obtain one's driver's license, one must be at least. Answer. 17 years old. 81. If you are parking uphill without a curb, turn the wheels towards the. Answer. Edge of the street. 82. If you park facing downhill, always turn your wheels towards the. Answer. Edge of the street. 83. In the interest of safety of every driver is obliged to do more than the law demand. If you doubt exists at an intersection, one must. Intersection safety rule. Answer. Yield the right of way. 84. If a driver is driving too fast into a curve, he. Answer. Should not slam the brakes. 85. Railway crossing are marked with a crossbuck sign and usually with warning lights. These signs and signal mean a driver must stop, slow down and proceed as directed. If full stop is required, stop from the nearest rail at least. Answer. 5 meter. 86. Never park or stop at the side of the road within blank of a fire hydrant. Answer. 5 meter. 87. A driver blank park or stop at the side of the road within 6 meters of a crosswalk because it reduces visibility of pedestrians to the drivers. Answer: should not. 88. A driver must park within the curb by putting the car in low gear and setting the parking brake for at least. Answer: 30 cm. 89. When parking uphill with a curb, turn wheels towards the Answer: center of the street. 90. In bad conditions, the 2-second rule should be increased to Answer: 4 seconds.